ngathi no mina ngeke ngikulalise la kwami ngoba angifuni ngikhulume into ezokusiza umthetho hambe police station wahamba uTumelo waye police station Saturday ngiyamfonela uhambe njani police station uyangitshela report ukuthi bathi abuyele kuma social worker and then Saturday leyo wabuyela futhi uma social worker angazi ukuthi watholile okumzakalile asisho ukuthi ngihlukumeza amalungelo wabomama mina iye yangithinta ukuthi uzoxoshwa ebusuku and then uyindaba yeroom uyifanekisile mara naye musingendlela ngichazele ngakhona ungathi iroom lena akalazi ukuthi kuphi
that's true
yeah akalazi iroom lena ukuthi kuphi akalazi ukuthi linjani likude kangakanani nesikolo ngoba umntana wakhe lo uye longena isikolo la eduzane
ngiyathokoza unfortunately lo busuku lo simcelile thina besazi ukuthi siyakhamba sokubona iroom bese siyabuya thina uphuma wathi usayisitolo sicakeke nase langekho because nathi sithize sifuna ukubona iroom before you understand sathi sifuna ukubona iroom lelo mama kiwe sambile thina sakubona iroom angekho iroom I don't know neta ngikwazi ukuhlela but iroom li safe line butler lina everything lihle begodi the only thing besifuna yena afika sitshela ukuthi li right but azanga simbone ukuthi uphelelepi ukuthi kwenzakaleni sezezwa kusasa ukuthi batho sekuza sathi okay let the police come and see ukuthi what we are talking about is it wrong for ukuthi nina abantwana bamasokana bazozakhela nabaceda ukuzakhela kuvela igirlfriend ngebag afika ngitshela athi angiyindawo ahlukumeza umntwana akho amhlukumeze abazala balali kusasa bese kubuya ini isidumbu thina umbele kwethu kulamula
yeah yona buti ngendlela oyikhuluma ngakhona ngiyizwa iroom uTuma akalithole manje into engifuna uyazi uTuma ngihamba eroomini la ekhaya San Moses
ifamily ngicabanga ukuthi umndeni usibekele ukuthi bazokucala because of kwanje uMoses naye babona ukuthi safety yakhe abazi ukuthi yobanjani bathi bafuna ukuthi ayohlala ekhaya ngazi ukuthi ngisese right now yes bese bathi bazokuthola umuntu bazomrentisela
okay
yes
bese bona bayaphuma bayaseparate omunye yale and then okunye sekaza take over ngekhotho
yes ubani ozokutake over ngekhotho yes lo olola but even ngekhotho
take over ngekhotho ngoba
yes
lokho sikhuluma nathi siyahlukumezeka sithi sihleli uyangena ebusuku yengicoshiwe
hayi ekhotho she has a right to do that even namanje akayikhotho afika athi mina ngifuna indlu wami abatshela ukuthi ngifuna indlu wami Moses ingakhi indlu akafuni ukuthi ngifuna
ukuthi usike kufinyelele la
enye into lebokaba le ehlukumeza usingabomama ukuthi umuntu wesilisa athathe umama amfake endlini bese ambelethisa abantwana kanti emva kwesikhathi akakazimisele ngayo so lento leyo imhlukumezile naye abantwana bakhe bathini ababona kuso kanti bese bazitshela ukuthi bathola ikhaya
that's a good point ngithanda yazi lento oyirezile ngiyithanda kanjani
so into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi abantwana bethu kufanele bafunde ukulalela ukuthi awuyithathi intombi uyifake endlini ungakalobuli or ungakaveli something emndenini ukuthi mina lo ngizimisele ngayo so bona bavumelene boyi2 no Moses ukuthi bazoshadana or bazoyenzana ngoba ukufakana kwabo endlini asazi ukuthi kusukela mara so seyiyahlukumeza manje nakithi abomama naye umama iyamhlukumeza ukuthi senginabantwana la endlini ungwistela isikhathi sami esiningi wangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda nje manje ngoba nali ithando ngazosebenzakala seliyaphela onjalo sefanele manje aphume endlini kanti lesikhathi amthanda kade angasho ukuthi phuma endlini kahle bengabosanga amfaka endlini angakacaci ukuthi kwenzakalayo manje ngokomthetho uma selamfaka endlini kahle sewumfazi wakhe umthetho uthi umfazi wakhe ngoba thina simazi ukungumama la ekhaya namhlanje sesiyamangala sekunamakhemera sithi umama ekhaya kosaphula
ngicela kancane before uyazi we raise the question wabuya waziphendula I like that which is something else esithi akhe sifundeni mihla namalanga ifana nani ifana nawe ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ngithengisela ikolo uthatha ikolo yami uyafika uyayilungisa uyayiphorisha ngikunikeza ungibhadele half imali uyayilungisa ngakunikeza amaphepha mina ngiyabuya ngithi ngifuna ikolo yami you understand mangifuna ikolo yami ngikunikeza imali yakho wathi ngipendile ngenzeni that one is it won't help because you don't have a paper you don't have anything that you can stand for so ibuya back ukuthi we need to teach or educate abantwana bethu ukuthi ningazishadisi kokucala mawuba nomntwana firstborn yakho mawucala uba nayo, you need to ukuthi ukwazisa abekheli, because that one I think umndeni sohlangene ngumntwana ngisho bahlangane bakhulume ngani ngumntwana ukuthi hayi man lo mntwana uSmith sokucala bese umndeni bathi umkwazana kusho this thing iphusha ubani uphusha uMoses ukuthi no man let me see it ngelinye ilihlo. You understand? Kokucala wazi umndeni wekhaba ukwazi uhlangane naye. Kuba nomntwana wesi2 you are still making the mistake oyenze kokucala, you are still quiet wena uthi mina nginendlu, which is not going to happen that because of wena ube nomntwana ungaba na 5, but if the person the owner of the land whether umoshela isikhathi if kune breach of promise uze khambo icontestele court or nangabe uMoses ufuna ukuhlogomela abantwana bakhe uzabahlogomela bayingaki abomama banabantwana aphandle abantwana baleki asitsho abantwana oceda ukubeletha umntwana wazi ukuthi abakamenzeli next umisa kuphi khabomkhulu yibo kose bathatha responsibility bathi wena lokhu busy usilethela abantwana umlando wenza ubani nguye balandela umntwana ukuthi yena wamukela ukuyuzwa, which is a mistake yokucala. Yena she was supposed to learn from kwabantwana bakhe bokucala benabo bapha abantwana bokucala first okucala mhlambe ula khona kuba wesi2 Moses ikhomisa ukuthi ufuna ukuba nothando uthathela umntwana uthi iza nayo wakhulisa umntwana lo wakhona la wenzeni usisi phela nangasanathando ukucala ngisho ube nothando naye. So nangabe ube nothando nalo akasamfuni usisi akasamfuni, so then nguye ongasafuni uMoses. Mina ngikhulume naye wangitshela ukuthi akasana ama feelings, so soyithini because unabantwana
okay nguye
akasamfuni because even manje yazi manje kwenzani uyokuforce AI because ithi ngitshela umuntu mangaba akasamfuni cala musingitshela iexample A1 that day masi akasamfuni uMoses
sengakhulumini sonke umithinga ube yi1
uthi ngiyenzeni
usamfuni uMoses
why uthi angisamfuni
okay usamfuna wena
angisamfuni
why
wena uthi angisamfuni
how utheni kanti
ngitheni
okay angitshele that time masuka la utheni like the last time masuka within that 7 days mangizokhuluma nawe wathi wena kahle wathi uzoba nendoda yakho. When was the last time uba nendoda yakho ushare na ibed jama kisibuze when was the last time ushare ibed nendoda yakho
last time indoda mengilala nayo every day la ekamereni la
that indoda yakho lana la ekamereni
bese kwenzeka la ekamereni ngiyalala nayo ufuna ngiyenze ngize namathawula fail ngizokufona
it's something ne something yes it's I wish that ukuthi uMoses abela you understand ngicela nami maybe two I asked them both questions. uMoses he said straight what guys I cannot force myself mina umuntu azandongilele naye nini kokucala azandlo akangifuni undoda immediate noma ungayiphekela uyiwashele but as long as ungayiniki into ezomjabulisa it means you don't have my feelings wakhe ke ngizwe mama
malumile kai
aritsukulele kai mama
rona
thobela
nakule kupela ukuthi sapitshise yi1 ne mabi gantshwa ke re le Moses a ba thoma o dula mone ba thomile o dula kwa ke before ba tla o dula mo bona ba dumetse bjane o re aya a dule a sa nyadiwa mengwaye mengata na se bona ba tla mmona re a nyadiwa a tsamaye na go eka moka ona a dula na bogwa ba ba sa mmone re a nyadiwa.
Mama, I'm sorry to Eric we should not promote it. Understand? As I'm saying, we learn from the mistakes. Promote it because people they are watching each and every move. The mistake now they want to resolve this mistake so that the same mistake. So now as you are saying that the powers mama kenya bon yeah the powers tsa gage ke re anyetse orange heditswe magadi or something le go ka tloga dula le ena more than 20 years as long as go sena ntwe le ngore e ba tlhakantshitse yes dim or anything go dulishana le bona okay ampotse what was your solution kenya kokwa go dim ga putisho ga wena go ya ka ona bona ga nne gore go direge eng
nna ke nana hore why na ba mathomo ba ithoma agri no ke na le ngwana ne ke na le ena ka kwantlo wana 83 tse monna o na le bana ba ne o tlile nae ngwanyana o na le bana ba ithu ka ba le ke a tseba a monyala ke ganile from start ka re ka mo motseng nga se khone o dula nae o sa monyala a ba dula kwa gabo until o monyala nna ke re why bona mathomoni ba dumedi o dula nae a ba tseba gore a nyadi
ekhaya wena uyangazi makilwane
sifemile ayi
ekhaya ngabe ufuna ukwazi ukuzongibuza uruze kwami
akiri maweli
abathandi ngapha kwenzeka nje
akiri maweli
no right yeah ngicabanga ukuthi
akiri uyakhuluma na antara
yes ngicela ngiphendulele ngikhophela umfetulele ngicela ungiphendulele na so that ukuthi bakhona uyi-understand angisho bafuna uyi-understand yes ngicela ukuthi kumphendulele ukuthi why bathi ahleli lapha ekhaya and then up until azohlala naye la ngicela ungiphendulele
yazi uphumele wafika ekhaya nakafika ekhaya kusho ukuthi wafika nakafika ekhaya mina futhi kangazi ukuthi kunomuntu ohlala ekhaya nangihlala kwami thina ekhaya sonke sihlala endlini yethu uma uhlala nezizukulwane zabantazana abayi-2 abantwana abasesikolweni